Welcome back to Car Alerts, where electric innovation meets real-world excitement. Today's spotlight is on the 2026 Tesla Model Y, a crossover that continues to evolve in the electric space with precision, power, presence. This is not just another update, this is Tesla's way of reminding everyone who helped set the benchmark. With refreshed looks, a cabin built for future lifestyles, upgraded performance metrics, elevated tech integration, Tesla ensures the Model Y doesn't get lost in the growing sea of EVs. Every element of the 2026 edition pushes for refinement while holding on to Tesla's disruptive DNA. Now let's step in and explore every inch of this electrified marvel, starting with what you'll notice before you even touch the door handle. The face of the 2026 Tesla Model Y now features a sleeker fascia, softer edges flowing from the redesigned headlights down to the more sculpted lower apron. The headlights are slimmer, laser-focused, housing matrix LED units that deliver sharper beams without blinding incoming traffic. Aerodynamic tweaks on the front bumper have reduced wind resistance while lending the vehicle a cleaner, more futuristic look. No grille interrupts the body's fluidity, just a smooth panel adorned with the subtle Tesla emblem. The hood lines now fade more gently into the A-pillars, giving the front a balanced blend of aggression and elegance. Vent channels under the headlamps enhance airflow beneath the body. Parking sensors now sit more flush, nearly invisible, in keeping with Tesla's minimalist philosophy. Every component up front contributes to form meeting function in true Tesla fashion. Looking from the side, the changes become more nuanced yet impactful. The profile retains its fastback silhouette, but the new 19 to 21-inch aero-optimized wheel designs grab attention with their turbine-inspired blades, coated in low-gloss graphite finishes. A lower beltline enhances glass area, improving visibility from the cabin while visually elongating the crossover's form. Door handles remain flush-mounted, now featuring improved capacitive touch for quicker response. Black window surrounds contrast against new paint choices like Ultra Blue, Crimson Flare, Midnight Silver 2.0, expanding the customization palette. Side mirrors have been slightly reshaped for better aerodynamics, now equipped with a more advanced blind spot warning system. The lower rocker panels get a subtle black cladding that enhances its SUV character without overcomplicating the clean lines. The shoulder line connecting front fenders to rear taillights now carries more tension, giving the Model Y a more muscular poise while standing still. The overall side look communicates motion, even at zero speed. From the rear, refinement continues its quiet conquest. The 2026 model sports a new full-width light bar that connects the LED taillights with a uniform red glow during braking. Each light unit has been reshaped with finer detailing inside the lenses, now sharper in transitions, with sequential turn indicators built in. A reshaped bumper houses revised reflectors positioned lower to exaggerate stance while aiding nighttime visibility. The trunk lip rises slightly higher, forming a subtle ducktail for aerodynamic benefits without the need for a spoiler. The Tesla badge now sits slightly lower, harmonizing with the revised proportions of the liftgate. New bumper valances integrate better with the dual rear diffusers, part of the underbody airflow improvements. No visible exhausts, no unnecessary cuts, just design flowing with the language of tomorrow. The rear windshield appears larger due to a thinner wiper blade housing, adding to the clean, uninterrupted rear visuals. Interior: once you step inside the cabin of the 2026 Model Y, the first thing that strikes is a sense of calm, clarity, control. Materials now feel richer across every surface, from the soft-touch dashboard trims to the micro-suede door panels. A new ambient light strip travels along the dash and door lines, customizable through the central interface, offering a unique glow depending on driving mode or personal taste. The steering yoke remains optional, but the standard round wheel now features integrated touch controls with haptic feedback for functions like music volume, voice command, even adjusting speed limiter settings. The dashboard is cleaner, thanks to a redesigned HVAC vent system that's now entirely hidden but more effective, with finer directional control. A new 17-inch center display dominates the dash, boasting a brighter OLED panel, improved color depth, faster response, thinner bezels. Tesla's infotainment interface receives its latest version, supporting multi-window functions, advanced voice interaction, and seamless integration with Tesla's app ecosystem. Wireless charging pads now accommodate larger phones with active cooling to avoid overheating. The center console provides increased storage with configurable tray dividers, magnetic latches for convenience. Rear passengers gain heated seats, USB-C fast charging, even a secondary screen to control media, airflow, seat temperatures. Cabin space remains generous with ample headroom due to the all-glass panoramic roof, which now uses a higher UV blocking layer to manage cabin temperature more efficiently. Performance underneath its sculpted shell, the 2026 Model Y now delivers refined performance that strikes a better balance between excitement and efficiency. Available in two key configurations, the long-range and performance versions provide different thrills. The long-range dual-motor variant delivers a claimed 0 to 60 sprint in 4.6 seconds, with an estimated range now pushing 330 miles due to software optimization, lighter alloy components, recalibrated reg-in braking. The performance model cuts that figure down to 3.4 seconds, with tighter suspension tuning, wider wheels, red brake calipers, upgraded cooling systems. A newly tuned adaptive damping system gives the ride more composure over broken pavement, reducing pitch without affecting comfort. Revised traction control algorithms improve grip during sharp cornering or slippery surfaces. Steering remains light at low speeds, gaining weight with pace, aided by an optional variable ratio setup for those who seek quicker responses. Regenerative braking now features 3 EVOLs, selectable via touchscreen, giving drivers more control over deceleration behavior. Battery tech sees further improvements using high-density lithium-ion cells, allowing quicker supercharging with less degradation over time. Charging from 10 to 80% now takes under 20 minutes at Tesla's latest V4 superchargers. Tesla's full self-driving software gets continual updates, with the 2026 version including enhanced lane selection, smoother overtakes, smarter merging behavior. Pricing remains one of the Model Y's stronger talking points in its segment. The long-range variant starts around $49,990 before incentives, making it competitive when considering its range, performance, features. The performance trim lands closer to $55,990, adding value through acceleration, styling tweaks, performance upgrades. Options such as premium interior packages, full self-driving capability, upgraded paint, larger wheels, or white upholstery can push the price well above $60,000. However, Tesla's direct-to-consumer model eliminates dealership markups, offering transparency in purchase experience. Federal, state-level incentives still apply depending on buyer's location, driving down actual ownership cost even further. The 2026 Tesla Model Y proves that evolution doesn't need to be dramatic to be meaningful. Every tweak, every upgrade speaks to years of data, feedback, iteration. It doesn't shout its improvements, it presents them with quiet confidence. Whether you're stepping into your first EV or trading up from an older model, this latest Model Y delivers a complete package: style, substance, speed, sustainability. From the moment the lights greet you to the silent pull of acceleration, the Model Y defines what it means to drive into the future. Stay tuned for more electric reviews here on Car Alerts, where the road ahead always leads to something exciting.